Okay, now I have some poly bands wrapped around the boob cam stock. Let's see here, I've got a little bit of vibration going on here. The camera's not able to handle the stability just right. Let's see if we can get this thing started today. Carbureted bike. There we go. Half choke now. Just testing the stability of the boob cam. It's not too bad, not too bad. Okay, we got a little bit of movement in the boob cam. I'm going to point that at my bottle just for now. Just to keep an eye on the bottle. So the bottle is there. Got to be able to test your inventions, right? Got to know that they're going to work. Can't just guess. You know, people's safety is important. Not just your safety, but the safety of others. Okay, we'll just fix that a little bit. Okay, so let's hit a big bump right here and see if the bottle falls out. Still there. See? Still there. Camera fell. So yeah, the camera's now kind of hanging down. Alright. So I'm in neutral now. So this camera setup isn't going to be good for the road, that's for sure. So I'm going to improve the way the straps are on this thing. Oh, I just snapped one of the poly bands. Wow. So, can't always trust the poly bands. They're like bungees, but sometimes they fail. So maybe my cat was chewing on this one. You know, I don't know, but it's gone now. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to wrap the camera mount in such a way that it stays put. Throw that over there. That seems better. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is just aim it there. Let's see if that stays put now. So see if I keep it in view here. Big bounce, big bounce. Still there. Let's try popping over a curb. See if the bottle falls out. So I'm going to go straight up the front lawn here. XRs can hit a curb, no problem. So that's, 10 miles an hour. Oh, there goes the camera mount. That's not working. Nope, that didn't work. I'll put the bike in neutral, the camera mount failed. The wrap is pulling the camera around. Alright, let's try about 20 miles an hour. try dropping off a curb at about 15-20 miles an hour. Oh, still there. Hasn't moved. The camera moved, but the bottle itself didn't move. That's pretty good. So the bottle is still there. Curb again. Yeah, that bottle's still there. So even though the camera mount's taking a hit and moving, the bottle is still there. That's great. I want to go ride my bike. This is, I want to ride. I want to go ride. I'm going to turn this thing off and do what I want to do. Okay, job done. Time for me to go ride.